Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Well, we're going on another Dunn hunt, see what we can find. Here at my Homegoods, I thought I'd stop in. It's around 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and I found this is new. I haven't seen this before in the store. This is Deadly Poison. This is priced $24.99. And then I don't believe I've seen the candy corn is new. And then Tricks and Treats, also that is new. And these are priced $24.99. Little cauldrons here. They are so cute. They say boo on them. Now, last year I think they were $7.99. The price on these are $12.99. I already have one of these, so there's 3 of them here at my store. And then if I take you over here to the other tank, you got Tricks for Treat, and then you got the cauldrons up here that say Trick or Treat. These are cute, and these are $24.99. Well, I found this over on the tank, this little Dunn butter. I think this is so cute. It's like a sage green. I think in the camera it comes up a little grayish or blue. This is really cute. This would match my cabinet. It's really good. $12.99. More items over here, and you got this little thing here, eek. I don't know if it's missing the top. Maybe it's missing the top. $12.99. That little pumpkin there, and then you got candy corn. It's still sitting here, and Handsome Devil. And I gotta say, the shelves are full and stuff is not selling off the shelves. You got Tricks and Treats, you got the Trick or Treat cauldron here that's really cute, and like I said, there's lots of Dunn on the shelves, and they are not flying off the shelves at all. I don't know if it's because of the price increase, but there is a ton of stuff that is on the shelves at my Homegoods, and it's pretty much the same stuff that's been here before, and a few new things. You got skulls and bones, and then the other day when I was in here, you had the cauldron, the Trick or Treat. Well, over here on the tank, you got a few more Dunn items. You've got You're So Corny, and this is priced, let's see, $14.99, and there's 4 of them here, and then there's 2 more on the top, and then you got a couple more over here. Then this is pretty cool. Witch Please, the hat in green. I love that lime green, and this is priced $19.99. There's a few things, new things over here on their tank. Well, I spotted a couple more Dunn items on the tank here. This one says candy corn. That's pretty cute. That's the little gnome, and this one is priced $19.99. Well, I'm all the way down here on the floor, and look what they have. I've never seen this before. I am so excited. This is so cute. I'm gonna drag this thing out. Oh my gosh, haven't seen this before. More Boo Please. It's got the little witch's hat on here, and apparently it's a drink dispenser. I'm gonna pull that out and see how much that is. Well, I thought I'd bring it over here to this table so you guys really could get a good look at it. I've never seen this before. How adorable is this? I would love to have this for a Halloween party. It says more booze, please. It looks like it's a drink dispenser, and then you got the witch's hat here. You lift this up for your drinks or your punch. And then I did turn it over, and the price on this is $49.99. So of course, I'm going to put it back on the tank. Well, I found a couple Ray Dunn blankets here. They're just the two of them in black. It says squad goals, and these are priced $16.99, and there's two of them here. And if you love buying for your fur babies, you got Hocus Pocus little dishes there. You got Tricks for Treats. You got Boo Spooky. You got another set over here. The black with the orange lettering, and Hocus Pocus down there. And a couple more on this shelf. And if you want to put your little cat treats in here, you got the little canister that says Scaredy Cat. Well, I'm back over in Seminole in my mom's area, and I cannot believe all the stuff that is on the shelves. I mean, candy coma. You have all these little canisters in the back here. Let's see, this says Trick or Treat in the back there. You have the Haunted House. You got Wicked Witch. You got Potion. There's more of these little canisters here. These are so cute. Trick or Treat with a little pumpkin on top. Ton of these green mugs. You have the Bougie over here. Excuse me. And then down here you have the Beware and the Creepy. Well, I'm over here at checkout, and I am amazed at all the stuff. I am so excited. I'm with my mom, so of course I'm showing her all the Ray Dunn stuff. Can you believe it? Magical, Fright Night with a little candy corn, Sweater Weather, Pumpkin Queen, Fright Night, Pumpkin Queen, another one, Potion. There is so much stuff. I picked up some stuff for fall, which I'm super excited about decorating. So I just want to share with you all the stuff that's in the store here in Seminole. Well, I'm over here at this next aisle over, and look at all the Witch's Brew. There's 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14. There's another one on the other side, and these are priced $19.99. I cannot believe all these canisters that are here. There is so much stuff in this store here. So much Ray Dunn is on the shelves. There's more Booth, please. And then your Trick or Treat cauldron down there at the bottom. I found this Ray Dunn over at checkout. This is so cute. Anything tiny is super cute. This is spooky. Let's see what the price is on this. This is priced $12.99. Super cute. The black pumpkin with the white lettering that says spooky. Well, I'm over here at checkout and you have tricks and treats. You got deadly poison. You got another canister over here, tricks and treat. I think these are priced $19.99. Let's see. The bigger ones are $24.99. So $24.99 on those. And then down here you have magical potion. Another deadly poison down here. Well, I found some fall leaves over here, which I think will be perfect for my little arched wall decor that I just recently put in my family room. So I think I'm gonna buy these, and this will go really well with the other decor that I'm gonna use on my sofa table. Over here at checkout, and there's some more mugs. There's Pumpkin King, there's Bewitched, there's Potion, there's Treat, Wicked Witch, Happy Halloween. They have a ton. There's the Iridescent. This one I absolutely love, and I picked that one up for myself. That one says Potion, Candy Coma, and Spooky. Well, I'm over here on the other side of checkout. You got Mirror Mirror, and then over here you have, I guess she's the witch that's on the back. And then you got Happy Halloween. Halloween's on the back on this white mug there. You've got the stack book that says Trick or Treat. It's got the black witch's hat. And then this is really cute, the little blue skies. This is probably salt and pepper shakers. And then coming down here, more mugs. You got Candy Coma, Pumpkin King. You just have a ton of stuff down here. Over here you have Bewitched, Girlfriend. You have Happy Halloween, Bangtastic. Well, before I start the haul, I want to share with you guys what I made for my kitchen a couple months ago. I'll insert a picture up here. It's my noodle board. I absolutely love it. And I told myself I wasn't going to spend over $100 to buy one. So I went to Lowe's and got the wood and built one myself. Super easy to do. It's not hard, and it was a lot of fun over the weekend making my noodle board. So I knew for my kitchen I needed some more stuff to decorate the top of the noodle board. So while I was over at Homegoods, I think we'll start there at Homegoods. Just a couple little items that I found, but I knew it would be perfect for my noodle board. So this little salt and pepper shaker, how adorable is that? It's on this little leaf plate. Now this is by Heritage Harvest, so I thought this was super cute. It's $12.99 and just small enough and perfect to fit on the noodle board. And then the other item I found was this little pumpkin here. Now, I thought it was the same, made by the same company. They are not, but it still goes pretty well with this little set here. Now this is like a little pumpkin here. The top comes off, and I already did put some little caramels in there. So I thought this was gonna be cute right next to the salt and pepper shaker. Now this is priced $7.99 for this little pumpkin. Now if you watch my family room makeover, in my video I talked about possibly buying a sofa table. Well, I think that day I went back to Kirkland's and I found the perfect sofa table to go against the wall. It matches the wall art perfectly. So what I've been doing is when I've been out shopping, I've been buying a lot of fall items for my sofa table. So I haven't been really buying a lot of Ray Dunn, and I know this year for fall on my coffee bar, I definitely want to do something different, and I don't want to add any Ray Dunn items to it. Well, let me share with you what I got over at Homegoods, the Ray Dunn items that I did purchase. But that particular day, I headed over to my mom's house, me and my husband. My mom wanted to go out for a steak dinner, so my mom and dad, we went over to Longhorn, and my mom was dressed up real nice. She had her wedding ring on, she had some earrings in. So she ended up, she really went all out. She got a Flo's filet, she got a loaded baked potato, she had a beer. We really had a nice time with them. And then later on, as we were talking, she's like, you know, I really don't want to go home. I feel really good. I don't feel like going home right yet. I said, well, guess what, Mom? Across the street's Homegoods. Let's go over there and do a little shopping. So I think it was good for her to get out and do a little shopping. So here's a few items that I found over there. Now, I picked up this iridescent mug. I don't have any of these iridescent mugs, and I think they're really pretty. I love this green color. It says Potion, and it's priced $7.99. And again, like I said, I don't have any iridescent mugs, so I thought I'd pick up the one. Now, this one I've had for quite a while. I found this, I don't know, maybe sometime over the summer, but I absolutely love this gnome. It says, but first coffee, and it's got a little mug he's holding. It says hug in a mug. It's so cute. He's got the little cookie in his hand. I think this was priced around $16.99, so I have him on my bottom shelf on my coffee bar. I thought he was really cute that I couldn't pass him up. And he's got the little coffee beans on his hat. And then the last item that I have is this blanket here. It says thankful. I think this is really pretty. I think I'm going to use this when I start to decorate for fall. This will go on my sectional couch. And this is priced $16.99. So that's all I have for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this little haul. Like I said, I want to do some different decorating for my coffee bar and just try to do some different stuff rather than incorporating the Rae Dunn. So I've been out finding a lot of other things for my home. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little Rae Dunn hunt and haul, and I'll see you in my next video.